Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do our first Louisiana seafood boiled.
New Orleans seafood ball.
Prepared by my husband Ronald.
The chef.
He has some snow crab legs, some boiled corn, some sausage, some potatoes, some celery.
Gotta have shrimp if you're from down south.
Shrimp.
Must have.
He boiled it with celery.
Some celery. We have a little orange. We have some lemon, some onions,
And some garlic and
plenty of garlic. You got this. We got a little liquid, but.
And I also made us 2 deviled eggs instead of boiled eggs. I wanted deviled eggs. Okay, so Father God, thank you for this food. And let's go ahead and eat.
I'm gonna go shrimp first.
Of course, I want the
Oh yeah, that feels wonderful. Look at that. What are you talking about? That's beautiful.
Mine didn't.
That's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. All right, y'all. She has her own sauce. I just got a little mixture left from the crab ball. Got a little garlic. Got a little celery, some onions. Oh, yeah.
My sauce is just butter, garlic, and Old Bay. That's it.
Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Baby.
It's juicy. What?
You gotta get your potato and dump it in there. Oh, my goodness.
And
that's
yours
good.
or mine?
And this one right here, that's delicious.
Potatoes.
Real little one. Oh, well, I always do. That's delicious, huh? Yeah, it's got a little kick to it. Of course it does. Oh, the shrimp are so good. Sensational. Baby, are we going to talk this time? I think we forgot about talking. Y'all, we hungry. It's been a rough day today.
Kids played in the backyard in the pool all day.
I've been all around chef today, by the way, y'all.
What else you cook?
The little barbecue
Oh yeah.
for the kids.
He
Got my
right.
parents over. We did some ribs, some smoked sausage, some chicken. What else, baby? Oh, and some Mexican corn. But it's my edition of Mexican corn. It's not. You have to try it. Maybe we'll do a video on that one day. It'll be coming soon, but it'll be coming soon. Don't worry. Smoked sausage. Oh yeah.
Trying to figure out.
Crab.
Yeah.
That's all you want anyway. You ain't fooling nobody. What I'm working with?
It's spicy.
I'm working with it then.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
You ain't cut me no lemon?
Yeah, you put it somewhere.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, yeah. Y'all heard that? That's when you know it's cooked just right. That's perfect cooking right there. Look at that. See that? When you peel that open, see how that meat just jump at you? Be like, look at that. That's what you call cooking. Y'all forgive me. You know I like to talk a lot.
The flavor's real good.
Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that.
Let me see.
Look at that. No, I'm not gonna let you see because you're gonna eat it.
That went down my throat.
Wow. I just should have been a chef, y'all. It's amazing. I really should have. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. Probably be a quiet video for her, y'all. She loves snow crab. So Probably won't hear much from her.
Y'all, have y'all ever tried snow crab out here in Texas? Okay. We just moved out here from New Orleans, Louisiana. We wanted some seafood. Spent about $150 on 2 bags of seafood. I'm thinking they tell you pick your flavor. So I think I picked Cajun, huh?
Yeah.
I picked Cajun spicy. Y'all, when I tell you they ain't got nothing on us back home. I think they just boil the seafood in water or steam it or something and put it in a bag and just put like a sauce on the top of the stuff. I don't think they
It was pretty horrible. Worst seafood I ever ate.
it wouldn't hit on nothing. When I say nothing,
No juice. No nothing. Horrible.
that's why I got Daddy Rome over here.
If I
Daddy
made this
Rome?
and put this in the
Cook it up for me right.
If I sold this, all those restaurants would be mad at me. I'll take all their business. What you think?
I don't care as long as you keep cooking it for me.
It's a special recipe though, y'all. Special. I showed y'all the basics, but I got a few extras I didn't tell y'all about.
So how's everyone weekend going? I hope everybody having a great weekend, enjoying the family.
That's really good.
Peel me a shrimp.
What's that you got going over there?
Yep.
What's that?
Butter, garlic, and obey.
Dip me in there. Let me see what that's working with. The dip. Dip, baby, dip. Come on now, dip, baby, dip. Dip, dip,
He telling his
dip,
age.
baby, dip. Come on now, dip.
All right.
Good. Not bad at all. That's pretty good. I like it.
I should have put a little more obey in it though. You don't think?
That tastes pretty good.
I'm tired, y'all.
Yeah, we hungry, y'all, so like
This ain't gonna be too much of a talking video for me.
deeply
I
apologize.
really,
y'all.
really like seafood.
I don't know, babe. What do you think we should talk about?
We ain't had no topic today. I just wanted some crab.
Let's talk about. I don't know. Y'all gotta start putting some comments in the comment section for us, y'all. Give us some good topics. We'll cook up a good meal. We'll get it popping.
What kind of sausage this is? It's
Oh.
real good.
That's what's the name of it? I say all the time. Golly.
It's real good.
That's maybe.
I'm not gonna make you figure the answer out, baby. I don't know.
Earl Campbell. Earl Campbell. Pretty good, y'all. It's perfect for grilling. It's even better like this.
Baby,
What?
That is so good.
What?
There's
Oh,
no
that's
crab. Oh my God.
Good old water, y'all. I was drinking earlier, so I'm trying to detox.
He got tipsy earlier.
On the barbecue grill, y'all know how it is on Saturday. Kids at the pool. We relaxing, you know. She drank wine. She drank that old weak wine.
I drink Stella Rose and it's good.
I could drink like 5 bottles and barely get a buzz.
It's good, y'all.
So how do you think? Cooked pretty, right?
What?
The snow crabs. Overcooked a little bit? No. Alright. What, it's hot?
No, it's good. It's hot. Oh, I think I sucked it too much.
It's their own spice.
Okay, I'm not gonna suck. I'm just gonna bite. Boy, stop.
Stop what? What happened? What are you talking
He's a
about?
jokester, y'all.
Not
Pay
true.
him no mind. Take this. So it's hard to not suck the juice. I don't know if y'all can see the juice dripping. Shit.
Go ahead on, baby. Suck that juice.
Bite the corn. It's good, huh? It got my ears ringing.
Make my lips burn.
My ears ringing.
No, baby.
And it's fresh corn, y'all.
Fresh, fresh, fresh. Shucked by my daddy. Saw that, y'all? See that, huh?
No, I didn't see nothing. Nothing at all.
See, baby, you was worried. Look at that. Look at that, baby. You can't get that anywhere.
Y'all, have y'all ever tasted the celery in a good
Can't get
seafood
that
boil?
anywhere. Look at that, y'all. Nice, what you call nice, high quality. Jumbo Louisiana shrimp. Right here. Jumbo. Next time, we're going to bump it up a little bit. We go jumbo. A little bit bigger. Little bit bigger. Eventually we'll get the colossal. I don't know. I maybe could eat like 2 of those. That's too much.
The celery hot too.
Well,
Whew. Ooh.
that shrimp is filling. But how come your bowl have so much trash in it and mine doesn't?
I don't want that. So this one little.
You eat it. You already didn't ate all because you ate all the meat off of it.
I want this one.
Oh yes.
Excuse me.
Baby. That flavor is like where it's at. By far. What all you guys doing this weekend? Y'all got any family things going on? We're not doing too much. My mom came up and visited us, my mom and my dad.
They called us when they were on their way.
Yeah. He came and paid us a little visit. Did a little barbecue for them.
So we had to run to the store. I be freaking out, y'all. When people come to my house, I have to make sure I have food for them to eat. I already cook breakfast every morning. Now I have to make a menu. I can't just wing it.
She's paranoid, y'all. Paranoid. Oh, I gotta do this, I gotta do that.
And they love it. They always say, they know whenever they come into my house, they always got food for them to eat.
Whew, y'all.
And it's gonna always be like that. Come to my house, You will be full.
Y'all, I don't know, but whoever made this, he needs a Grammy. A Grammy. This is unbelievable. This is like unbelievable. It's oh my God. I'm blind. You're blind.
I'm sorry.
Like this has to be against the law to have something that tastes this good. Oh, excuse me, y'all. I don't know where that came from. Oh, excuse me again, y'all.
Oh,
I'm about drinking water.
babe, I'm dropping everything. You want a thingy thing?
What's the thing thing?
Thingy thing. A deviled egg.
What's the thing thing?
A deviled egg. Ooh, I want it with some onion.
I think I'm kind of full. I can have that.
Okay.
This right here. That, y'all. That is what we're talking about.
Where does this come from?
Right there, guys. See that? Delicious. For all my Spanish subscribers, delicioso.
What you think, Dora looking at
I
us?
think I said that right. You got some Spanish
Swiper,
friends?
no swiping.
You got your Spanish friend.
My best friend,
Yeah.
Liz.
Oh yeah. Oh Lizzie Liz. Oh Lizzie Liz. She gonna be all shocked I didn't say her name in the video. Oh my God.
Oh my God, you gotta follow her on TikTok, round.
What? What is she doing?
She made Diego do that the one where you switch people.
With the light? I just flipped the switch.
Yeah, that.
Click, click.
She made him. She took his PlayStation from him until he did the TikTok video with him.
That's wrong.
She said she was bored.
That's wrong.
He did it.
We miss all y'all Louisiana guys. I know I do.
I really miss y'all.
Sometimes it's so boring out here.
Well, it's only boring because of the what's going on right now. I just miss the people back home.
No, baby.
Ain't nothing like a Louisiana.
Ooh.
Because you drunk all that liquor. Should have drunk all that Ciroc. Oh man, you made me mess my thing up.
How come yours come out so pretty?
Because I'm so pretty. And you pretty.
Too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy. Oh,
Wait.
sexy, yeah.
He drunk.
Oh, man.
Oh.
How you keep making it do that? Oh, excuse me, camera. I don't know what I was supposed to do.
Excuse me, camera around.
Sorry, y'all. Sorry, you two. Y'all was eating this, y'all would understand.
And you was drinking that Ciroc. You would understand.
That's how you know when the shrimp goes. Look at that, y'all. When you can peel the shrimp like that and it's still together and it just slide out. That's what you call cooking.
Did something fall on me?
Who knows? Probably. I don't know, but you keep putting me behind your hair like this.
Man, I put no seafood in my hair.
Oh, you already rub on me. You keep putting it on me. And the camera want to know, where are you?
Babe, it's hot.
I told you that corn always hot. That's why I be scared of corn. I don't never eat corn too much. Corn, turkey necks, pig feet. Always the hottest. Oh, y'all, we forgot. We got everything. Don't have no mushrooms though. That's normally a Louisiana thing. I ain't gonna even say New Orleans because everybody just loves the mushrooms, but I don't like them. They're nasty. Yuck. It's too the texture. It's too textury for me. Ooh, baby. You gonna eat that corn?
It tastes so good. It's just my lips feel like they.
On fire, we on fire. Yeah. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Y'all look that up. I know only a few people know about that. Woody.
My lips, y'all.
Woody. Y'all, this is probably the best version y'all are getting me. This version right here.
Because he drunk.
This the I don't care version. I just gotta remember that we're on YouTube though.
You better remember.
This the best version you're getting me. Say almost anything right now.
That's our kids, y'all. So if y'all hear that,
Y'all heard that? I think they're bowling.
They bowling downstairs.
Small brats. I think she's gonna eat all the snow crabs, y'all. I only ate one.
You only eat one?
Yeah, but I ate like 10 shrimp. Almost feel like we're at home, huh? All you need now is a little tent with a fan and family.
Some dominoes.
Dominoes.
Spades.
Couple spades down. Some horseshoes.
Be on it. We need a good domino game. See, that's the thing, y'all. We need some. People don't play dominoes out here. They play golf.
Yeah, I don't play golf.
They play some kind of game where they get. It's like it's a pole, and then they have a bucket, and then they have these things. I don't know what it is, a frisbee or I don't know what the thing is, but you got to throw the thing in the bucket.
If you tilt it up, you get a little bit more.
It was dripping all over me.
Drip, baby, drip. Come on now.
This one's stupid.
I got the juice.
Yeah, I can't get this one. On my meat. There you go.
Found that meat?
Right on.
Yes.
Stop.
I just asked, did you find the meat?
Stop.
Okay, but did you find it?
What?
Oh, you found it. You found
You
it.
can't talk like that.
No, I wasn't. I was talking about the meat and the snow crab. What I told you about thinking so like that? You can't think like that. This is YouTube. People are watching us.
You don't need to drink no more. We gotta do a video.
You gotta let them know people are watching us. Can't be like that, baby.
Hey, I don't know the rules.
Oh,
but
baby, you keep popping it all over me.
hey, some of these are overcooked.
It's not overcooked. You just can't get the meat out.
No. Some of them overcooked.
Don't insult my cooking.
Don't overcook them.
They're not overcooked. Y'all hear our son in the background, huh? I don't know. These millennium kids, y'all.
No,
If you had a kid after 2006, I don't know, maybe it's something in the water. It's something. These kids nowadays, I don't know. But I take it back.
you better leave my baby alone. My baby is fun and bossy as hell.
And bad. And bad.
No, what they say, he's hyperactive.
Yeah.
He's not bad. He's just hyperactive.
Bad is the word that we're looking for.
He's
y'all.
hyperactive, y'all.
B-A-D. And bad. Baby, I'm full. You full?
Mm-mm. You gotta think, babe. Today, I made them French toast and them bacon and all. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we had a good breakfast this morning, y'all. I had some French toast.
Where my crab went?
I had like 5 strips of bacon. I know it ain't good, but
No, everybody in the house, whenever I make breakfast, most of the time, everybody get 5 strips of bacon. See, that one overcooked too.
maybe it didn't have enough meat in it, baby. If no meat there, it can't be overcooked.
Good enough. See, I can't get it.
No, don't mean it's overcooked. That mean it didn't have enough meat.
Hmm?
That snow crab was on a diet.
What?
Yeah, he was on a diet. He wasn't eating properly. You're crazy. You ate 1, 2, 3 snow crabs left. You know how many snow crabs was in that pack?
Peel me a shrimp.
You just saying that so I could be quiet?
No, I'm saying that's why I ain't got to peel it.
When you gonna peel a snow crab for me?
You say you full.
I think I'm sleeping.
Y'all,
I'm sleeping.
we about to end this video?
No, it's okay. Let's talk. Talk.
No.
Why?
We about to end this video, y'all.
No, I don't want to.
Y'all have a blessed weekend.
But we're not ending the video, y'all. We're still talking. We're still talking. Not yet.
We're gonna holler at y'all tomorrow.
No, we're not.
My daughter's gonna upload a sushi candy video tomorrow.
Yeah, after about 10 more minutes.
Y'all, please stay tuned tomorrow and watch my baby girl do a solo video tomorrow
Y'all.
on some sushi candy.
She really loves the camera, y'all. Give her
Yeah,
a
she's
bunch of
really
thumbs
starting to
up.
like it, y'all.
Y'all give her a bunch of
She
thumbs
said,
up.
Mommy, they not looking at my video a lot. Oh. She in competition with her daddy video. They staying 2 and 3 apart from each other. And she said that she gonna be her daddy. I told her, we gotta get more subscribers. Y'all, if y'all know anybody,
Pass us on.
pass us on. In a couple of weeks, we're gonna start doing some pranks and some other things. We just trying to get our
Y'all get ready for the pranks. Get ready to laugh. I've got a few stored.
Okay, I need y'all to email me some prank ideas. He don't check the email for the for our channel. Send me some ideas to prank him on. Some good ones, cause he's a jokester, y'all.
I got a good few of them, y'all. I follow a few people. I ain't gonna mention no names. Or should I? No, maybe not.
I don't know if you could do that. I don't know yet.
Oh.
I don't know. Like,
I follow them.
I actually just learned today. I tried to tag some people in our last video. The challenge that we made up. Won't y'all go ahead back and look at that little Debbie challenge that we created yesterday.
I lost. Poorly.
But I tried to tag some people in it. I did it completely wrong. But thanks to another YouTube family member, she told me how to do it. So now, next time I try to tag somebody in, I'm going to do it the right way, I hope. I'm going to try. Hopefully she let me know if I do it. Hopefully she let me know if I do it right or wrong.
All you pranksters out there, I follow a bunch of you guys. I like a lot of them. We'll get back to find out if I can say some names, but I have a few people.
And if y'all have any ideas that can help us build our channel, y'all, please email us, hit us up in the questions. It don't really matter. We not that tight. We'll take the advice. We take the help. We're new to this. We're learning every day. We're going to get it. We're trying to get them subscribers. We're going to come at y'all every day, hopefully with a video. We've been doing good so far, keeping that promise. Every day we've been dropping a video. We don't want to stop that. So I want y'all to go ahead. Enjoy the rest of y'all Saturday. Enjoy the rest of y'all Saturday. And stay tuned tomorrow, y'all. Peace.